Uba bajop pengerup MDC ka ramrai jerngam mentah ka sengi thoding kalai tarik naiwing arja arpaulai ula poilang hajantar mantar ke bahanong ba adali ban yashim mentah bat ban ai ka jingkershan ya ka seng hanyutrap acek national movement ka balapan long ya ka jingyakhi bandawa pentrekam ya ka ILP hapo ka jala ban ithu no ya ka tien khasi bat ban penbet ya uput usam bat ka jala asam habakran hagani ka sengi uba bajop ula ong ba ulawan ai jingkershan kum udukhat jong ka KHADC bat kum ka sarkar kami kam deshu kapor bakan sengap menti halor ka jingdawa ban penrungno ya ka tien khasi ha ka kharnet ka bapra ulong balada penrungno ya ka tien khasi ha ka kharnet ka bapra ki khasi kin yo ban tho ya ki examen ba pher ha ka tien la jong ka bawan ra jing mentoi ya ki babun ki samla
Kabandai kaktian ki kene ki pag joye. Padang ye. Dakacing yo. Ya kacing itu ya kaktian kasih bergaro. Apa ke et schedule. Ken sami bon ki IS. Na po kacela jongi. Bakin pen biang. Na ka benda kari ka et ke jongi. Balengi duna ki IS ki pot ki kena konsamla jongi ki trim hanai kaktian parang kamdai kaktian jongi kadai kaktian khasi ban kaktian aceh ban kaktian parang ro umpar recognize apa ka eight schedule of constitution hanai ki parado parasram jongi kin apa le to exam da kaktian parang tengok ye ba kanya kacing yaki jong ka HNM kanum long le noi kacing wan jongi nga represent ya ka khasil satan masjid council kacing wan jongi pan ai ka ti ka man ti ka yang ya pi baro ba alam ba ya ka tim jong pi ni don ringkat ba ingat ba menta kenti ka government of India kan sigap ya ka le ka demand jong ka jat beli ka jongi ban kan top ya ka tien garo bat khasi hapo ka 8 schedule jong ka constitution. A little bit in English. I would like to urge upon the Prime Minister of our country, Sri Narendra Modi ji, to kindly listen to our demand. It's not a new demand, but since in our inception, since our statehood, we have crossed 50 years of our statehood. Our border is not in line. Our language is not recognized in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. A state like Assam, the Bodo community, for example, which has a population of only 13 lakhs, they are already recognized in the 8th schedule. The Manipuri community, which has only few lakhs, they are already recognized in the 8th schedule. That's why we can see so many Manipuris in the Indian Revenue Service, in the Indian Allied Service, in the Indian Police Service, Indian Administrative Service, because they can write the exams in their own dialect. And I believe that one day that our 8th schedule demand is granted, we will have so many IAS officers from the Hinyautrap and the Aceh community from the state of Meghalaya. And with all these few words, I won't take much time. I will thank all the media houses and especially all the youth that have come here. We are there with you. Our demand will still go on till it is fulfilled. Jai Hind, Kutai Shubon, Slam Kari Kasi, Slam Ka Aceh, Slam Ka Chala Meghalaya, Kutai Shubon, Kutai Syajarmo.